This is the story of Daniel, a boy from a small American town, a boy who grew up with almost nothing but carried a dream that could change everything. His father was gone, his mother worked 2 jobs just to keep food on the table, and Daniel, at only 15, sold newspapers on the street corner after school to help her. Life was heavy, life was unfair, but deep in his heart lived a vision far greater than his circumstances. He dreamed of becoming a doctor, not for fame, not for money, but because he wanted to heal, he wanted to serve, and he wanted to prove that no beginning is too broken to create a powerful ending. People around him didn't see that dream. His classmates laughed when he said the word doctor. They pointed at his torn shoes, his worn-out backpack, and said, "A kid like you? You'll never make it." His relatives shook their heads and told his mother, "Stop filling his head with false hope. He should just get a job and accept life as it is." But Daniel didn't listen. He couldn't, because inside him was a voice louder than the doubt, a fire stronger than the pain, and a belief deeper than the you. Fear. Every day he studied under a flickering streetlight when the power went out at home. Every night he pushed himself a little harder, telling himself that the struggle he felt now was building the strength he would need later. He knew his journey would not be easy. He knew there would be setbacks, failures, and moments of despair. But he also knew one truth. If he kept going, if he refused to quit, his dream would one day come alive. And that is what kept him moving, step by step, day by day, through hunger, through exhaustion, through loneliness. He kept moving forward, and as he moved, something incredible began to happen. Life, slowly but surely, began to respond. A teacher noticed his dedication and offered him extra books. A librarian saw him reading late and gave him a warm drink on winter nights. Strangers began to see in him what he always saw in himself, a boy destined for more. Still, the road ahead was long. The tests were hard. The nights were endless. But Daniel kept saying to himself, "Pain is temporary. Discipline is forever. And if I can endure today, I can conquer tomorrow."